So what do we think of the new Rado Captain Cook high-tech ceramic chronograph? Let's count the different ways in which the watch scores. First, it carries the Captain Cook legacy named after the legendary explorer. The line first surfaced in 1962 as a hardcore diver's tool. Now fast forward to this piece. This is the first Captain Cook chronograph in high-tech ceramic, which means it is scratch-resistant, lightweight and hypoallergenic. It's got presence too. At 43 mm, it's not a shy watch. As seen on brand ambassador Hrithik Roshan, it wears bold. The case is monoblock, which means it is in one single piece and aids the water resistance, which is a solid 300 meters. Balancing the weight from the steel bezel is a lightweight 3-link titanium bracelet. Also new is an hour counter, first time ever in the Captain Cook chrono, plus screw down pushers for legit diving action. Rose gold PVD accents on the bezel, markers and hands mean it looks just as good at a dinner party as it does underwater. So diving essential or a daily statement piece? You tell us.